You are welcome to Om Shanti Ashram Satyabam.
What is the root cause of suffering?
Root cause of suffering is your foolishness, your stupidity. You don't know the right way, you don't know the right thing to think, to speak or act. You are stupid, you are cattle, you are animal, you are makabare, you are a beast, you know only greed. You know greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts, but that is not the rule. Rule is truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, keen sense of justice, sympathy, understanding, empathy. This all originates when you have unwavering courage. You make the right decision. You have a perfect plan of action. And you are ready to sacrifice everything to achieve the righteous thing. And you never do anything which is evil, which is prohibited, which has not to be done. And who does all this? Ignorant man. Whole Buddha philosophy is based on that. Ignorance is the root cause of suffering. And what is ignorant? You don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are thinking. You don't know what you are speaking. You don't know what you are acting. And you are doing everything wrong. And wrong and wrong and wrong can never give the right result. If you want mango, you have to plant the seed of mango. But you are planting every seed. And mango will never come because your seed is not correct. Similarly, if you want peaceful and happy life, then you have to always think peaceful and happy thought. And what is that I told you just now? Truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, sympathy, understanding, keen sense of justice, making the right decision, being very bold and courageous, never to be timid, always working very hard, earn your bread, butter, everything by very fair and truthful means. Never violate from the fundamentals. Rules of the land must be obeyed and followed. They are wise people. But reverse gear is they violate every rules. And they are ignorant, they are fools, they suffer. So what is the root cause of suffering? Now you tell. You have to tell Dr. Satyanarayana, what is the root cause of suffering?
Ignorance.
Ignorance and foolishness.
Foolishness.
You do everything, but all wrong. You speak everything, but all wrong. Means you are a fool. You don't know. You don't know. There was a friend, he told, you are a great fool. You told, why? Don't have common sense. You are having intelligence in the study, but practically you are the most idiot. You don't know exactly how the world is. World is not pure like Buddha and Vivekananda. World is not pure like Jesus. Jesus was hanged. Buddha was poisoned to death. Socrates was poisoned to death. So you have to have common sense to understand the world. You have not read the books of the world, practicality. And the friend was right. And he is called a fool. He knows everything in the book, but he knows nothing about the world. The world is the real book, where you have to study, where you have to live, where you have to breathe, where you have to act. Read the world better. The environment is not favorable. It is very unfavorable environment. There are a lot of greedy, angry, hateful creatures. There are looters, plunderers, criminals. You know, my boy, honorable sir, my listeners, my viewers, my every great man, try to be as wise as possible because there is no limit to the wisdom. The more we know, the better. But we know nothing. What said Socrates? We are still ignorant. That's why we all suffer. Buddha also suffered. He has a diarrhea because he believed a lady wanted to kill him and she gave poison in the food. Even Buddha was such a great fool. Why he want to die by being poisoned by somebody knowing that the ladies want to kill him? Why Jesus spoke something against the common views of the people? He wanted to tell the truth. He knows it will create chaos, confusion. He claimed he is Messiah. He is Messiah of his city. Because there was some prediction that once upon a time the God will come in the form of human. So he got the clue and said, yes, I am that. Nobody believed him. All thought he is a fraud, kill him. And today in the world, a lot of frauds are there, nobody kills them. Because the whole world is fraud. My friend, root cause of suffering is this one. Not knowing the truth. Thank you.
Thank you.
अरे बड़ी बड़ी चीज